Jambalaya is a great option for dinner. It's rustic and complex, but relatively easy to make. The best part about this dish is that it can be prepared in one pot, so cleanup is a breeze. My take on jambalaya includes shrimp that we've caught from the Gulf of Mexico, but can be prepared with any seafood you like. I'm Jeff Philbin. I've always loved to cook with bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and I even competed on TV for the title of America's Best Home Cook. I've learned a lot over the years, and now I want to share some of my recipes with you. This is Flavored by Flame. So let's start by turning on our burners. I'm going to throw a little olive oil into our pot, and I'm going to incorporate the Cajun Trinity. We've got a little onion, we've got some celery, and we've got some green peppers. We're going to add just a little bit of salt, a little pepper, and I'm slowly going to bring this up to temperature. Now I can let this sweat down on medium for about 10 minutes. Perfect time for me to start working with my proteins. Chicken, some shrimp that was caught from the Gulf of Mexico, and some andouille sausage. Now I want to use a big bowl because I've got some Cajun seasoning that I want to be able to infuse into our meat. The chicken, our shrimp, and our andouille sausage, well incorporated and seasoned. I can just set this aside, add in our tomatoes, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of some Louisiana hot sauce there, some garlic, and a few bay leaves. And I want to just work all those flavors together. I'm going to bring up the heat from medium to about a medium high because I want to start thinking about my rice. And I just want to get a base before I add in any of our broth. Slowly bring in our broth. I'm at a medium-high heat. I'm going to actually drop it down to about a medium-low heat so I can let all those flavors in that rice to cook. And that's going to take about 10 minutes. Incorporate our shrimp, our andouille sausage, and our chicken. Quick little stir here, bringing all the flavors together. I can drop my heat right down to low, pop my lid on, and let this be for about 15 minutes. I let it simmer. It's ready to start plating now. I can't wait to dig in. The shrimp is cooked perfectly. Just for a little added touch, green onions. This dish might have been inspired by Louisiana flavors, but here in Florida, I can have a lot of fun making my take on a Gulf Coast jambalaya, and so can you. To watch full episodes and learn about available rebates from TECO Peoples Gas, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.